At sunrise, while most of the world is still asleep, operations are already underway inside one of the most advanced agricultural systems on Earth, the mega dairy farm. Spanning hundreds, sometimes thousands of acres, these massive facilities are home to thousands of dairy cows. Every single day, they work in synchronized precision to produce millions of liters of milk that will eventually reach homes around the world. Inside the barns, comfort is everything. Rows of cows rest on soft sand bedding beneath large ventilation fans. Automated misting systems regulate temperature during hot weather, ensuring the animals remain cool and stress-free. Because in modern dairy farming, a comfortable cow is a productive cow. Nutrition is carefully engineered. Feed trucks move slowly down long feeding lanes, delivering a scientifically balanced blend known as total mixed ration. This mixture of corn silage, grains, proteins, vitamins, and minerals is formulated by the animal nutrition experts to maximize both health and milk production. Each cow wears an identification tag, often equipped with RFID technology. These digital tags track health data, movement, and milk yield. Farmers and veterinarians monitor this information in real time, using tablets and centralized computer systems to ensure every animal receives proper care. When it's time for milking, cows move calmly toward the milking parlor. In mega dairy farms, this is where technology truly shines. Some farms use massive rotary milking parlors, giant circular platforms that slowly rotate as cows step on. Workers carefully clean and sanitize each udder before attaching milking machines. Hygiene at this stage is critical to ensure milk safety and quality. Once attached, gentle vacuum suction begins extracting milk. Within minutes, milk flows through transparent tubes into stainless steel pipelines overhead. The entire system is sealed, preventing contamination and preserving freshness. From there, the milk travels directly into enormous refrigerated storage tanks. Almost instantly, it is chilled to around 4 degrees Celsius. Rapid cooling prevents bacterial growth and preserves quality. In highly automated control rooms, technicians monitor digital dashboards displaying milk volume, temperature, and system performance. On large mega farms, thousands of cows are milked 2 to 3 times per day, generating extraordinary daily volumes. Some facilities go even further, using robotic milking systems. In these setups, cows voluntarily enter a robotic station. Guided by sensors and laser positioning, a mechanical arm gently cleans and attaches the milking equipment automatically. This allows cows to choose their own milking schedule, reducing stress and improving efficiency. Before any milk leaves the farm, samples are tested in on-site laboratories. Technicians examine fat content, protein levels, and bacterial counts. Only milk that meets strict quality standards moves forward. Outside, insulated tanker trucks connect to the storage tanks. Each truck can carry tens of thousands of liters at a time. Throughout the day and night, these trucks transport fresh milk to processing plants, where it will be pasteurized, packaged, and distributed. But production is only part of the story. Mega dairy farms also manage sustainability on a large scale. Automated systems clean barn floors, and waste is collected and processed in biodigesters. These systems capture methane gas and convert it into renewable energy, often powering the farm itself. Meanwhile, in calf nurseries, the next generation is carefully raised. Young calves receive specialized nutrition and health monitoring to ensure strong future production. What makes these mega farms remarkable is not just their size, but their precision. Every detail is measured, every cow is monitored, every liter is tracked. Day and night, in a continuous cycle of feeding, milking, cooling, testing, and transporting, millions of liters of milk begin their journey from farm to table. It is a world driven by science, technology, and careful management, all working together to supply one of the most essential foods in human history. From the quiet barns at dawn to the departing tanker trucks at sunset, this is how mega dairy farms collect millions of liters of milk every single day.